How to hide Instagram app on home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So right now you can see the Instagram application on the home screen. Now if you want to hide it, what you can simply do is you can simply make a long press, tap on remove. So it will be removed from the home screen over here. However, when you swipe up the app list, you'll be able to see the application on the app. But if you want to hide it from here as well, simply scroll down to tap on the security option. Toggle on the security application on a device, and as you launch the security app, scroll down to the very end. Now swipe up to open toolbox, and here you can see the option of hide app. Now select on the option of hide apps over here, and as you do that, what you can simply do is we're going to search for Instagram over here. We're going to toggle on the Instagram option over here, and now we can simply go and check on the app list as well. So let's search for it. And as we search for it, we can see there's no Instagram application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.